What we do here is go back.
Look at my room. Look at my room. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginette. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hello and welcome back. Thank you for the support. So obviously today's video is about my room change. Let's talk a little bit about my room. So here's what my room looked like before. Nothing really much to it. It's just, it is what it is. Yeah. And this is what it looks like now. Just really soaked that in. I did that. My room has looked like that for literally as long as I remember, because like I've always just dealt with what I had. I never really cared that much. The only thing I did really appreciate with my room is the windows and the paint color. Because my favorite color is turquoise, so I was like, this makes me happy. It's bright. It's nice. But then I was kind of like, I was sitting there, I was like, I want something different. Like I want something that like shows me now. Like I want something that I can be like, yo, this is dope. Like I want to go to my room. With that being said, it was seriously time for a change. So you're literally about to watch me completely transform that into what it is now. I hope you enjoy this video.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
So this is the wall I'm going to be applying wallpaper to. It is 12 feet by 8 feet. And I ordered this wallpaper from Home Depot's website. It's like a peel and stick. It covers 56 square feet. So I got 2. I also got this smoother to help me apply it properly. It says because it's a peel and stick, it's supposed to be really simple to apply. So we're just gonna test that out. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I think it's gonna match the walls really nicely. I'm kind of scared. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. Okay, where's the peel part? It's not peel and stick wallpaper. I need to buy adhesive. I'll be back. You know what? Okay. I'm back. So right now, I need to order the glue. So what I'm gonna do for now is just cut out and measure all the strips I need and how many I need, so I can just have it organized and ready for when that glue comes. And yeah.
Time is just a number, but number one is you. And even when we're older, yeah, to me we're still brand new. Yeah.
Okay, so I have completely confused myself. I had accidentally just kind of cut it however, not paying attention to the symbols on the wallpaper that tell you like how often it repeats and when it repeats. I kind of just free-for-alled it. So I don't really know how that's gonna work out with this roll, but now that I understand it, I know exactly what to do for the next roll. Hopefully this pans out, but we'll see what ends up happening.
Guys got girls for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. Pick it down for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day. I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. Even though my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even if a day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. I just wanna love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Every inch of your body. Yeah, yeah.
That is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment and hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications every time I post. I will see you next time. No, I like this. This is nice. Aw, thank you.